Hi friends, in the continuation of FFT algorithm, we can see about the overlap add and overlap save method. Okay, we need to first know about what is overlap add and overlap save method and how the bits are discarded or how the method differs from overlap add and save. Okay, we can see with the help of an example. We can see the first problem. Compute the linear convolution of finite duration sequence x of n is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1 and h of n is equal to 1, comma 2 by using overlap add method and save method. Okay, here x of n is equal to this and the length of the sequence is 12. Okay, and h of n is equal to 1, comma 2. Okay, length is 12, h of n is equal to 1, comma 2 and m is 2. Okay, first of all we have to divide the given sequence x of n into each one of contains of two values, which is x1 of n is 1, comma 2, x2 of n is minus 1, comma 2, x3 of n is 3, comma minus 2, x4 of n is minus 3, comma minus 1, x5 of n is equal to 1, comma 1, x6 of n is equal to 2, comma minus 1. Okay, okay, step 3 will be 0 padding. We need to add 0 to the each of the given x of n values, which is x1 of n is 1, comma 2, comma 0, x2 of n is minus 1, comma 2, comma 0, x3 of n is 3, comma minus 2, comma 0, x4 of n is minus 3, comma minus 1, comma 0, x5 of n is 1, 1, comma 0, x6 of n is 2, comma minus 1, comma 0 and h of n is 1, 2, 0. Okay, next step will be we need to find the convolution. Okay, actually we know that y of n is equal to x1 of n into h of n. Okay, which is y1 of n is equal to x1 of n into h of n. We know that h of n is 1, 2 and we add 0 by appending zeros. Okay, then h of n will be in the, we need to rotate the h of n value, which is 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2 and then 2, 0, 1 and the x1 of n value is 1, 2, 1, 1, 0. Okay, by multiplying the two matrices we can get 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, which is y1 of n. Okay, similarly we need to find out y2 of n, y3 of n and so on. Okay, finally we can write the obtained y1 of n value as given, which is 144 minus 104 3 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 2 132 2 3 minus 2. Then we just adding the given values as per the shown. So 143 0 7 4 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1 3 4 3 minus 2. We should know that y of n is equal to L plus m minus 1, which is 12 plus 2 minus 1, which is y of n is 13. So we can take the y of n values up to 13. Okay, 13 series. Okay, so the required overlap add method will be 13 values, which is 143074 minus 1 minus 7 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 4 3 minus 2. Okay, we need to note only one thing is that how we can add the output values, in what method we should have the add the output values. The last sequence of the first output will be added to the next sequence of the first input. Okay, and then so on. Okay, we can see about the overlap save method. Okay, here x of n given is 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1. We know that h of n is 1, comma 2. As per the overlap add method, here also we can divide this given sequence into each case of 2. Okay, but in the case of overlap add method, we just add zero padding is done to each and every values. Okay, but in the case of overlap save method, we just feedback the next first output to the next input and then so on. We can see in step 3 x1 of n is equal to 0, 1, 2. 2 is feedback to the next input, 2, 1, minus 2 and then 2 to again 2, 3, minus 2 to the x4 of n input, minus 3, minus 1 to the next input, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1 to the next input, 1, 2, minus 1 and the minus 1 to the next input, minus 1, 0, 0. Okay, And then finally the step 4 will be as y1 of n is equal to h of n into x1 of n. Okay, 1 2 0 0 1 2 2 0 1 into 0 1 2, which is 4 1 4. Okay, okay, actually similarly we can obtain for y2 of n also, and then so on. Okay, we need to write the given output of the sequence y1 of n as in the row wise manner, which is 4 and 4 6 3 0 minus 2 7 4 minus 4 minus 7 minus 7 1 1 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 plus 4 3 minus 1 minus 2 0. Okay, we should note that how to discard the values. We overlap same methods, nothing but m minus 1 column will be discarded as shown in the diagram. We should discard the m minus 1 column methods. Okay, in the overlap add method we will be adding the sequences, but in the case of overlap same method we must discard the m minus 1 column values. Okay, and then finally we can obtain that y of n will be the length of 13 sequence, which is 1 4 3 0 7 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 4 3 minus 2 0, which is y of n will be the l plus m minus 1 12 plus 2 minus 1, which is 13. Okay, so the length of sequence will be 13. Okay, okay, this is the easy method to find the overlap pattern, same method. In the case of objective questions they may ask some simple values to find using overlap pattern method, or what is the difference between overlap pattern same and how the additions can be performed, in where additions can be performed and in where the m and some bits are discarded. In like this manner they will be asking some questions. Okay, okay, thank you. We can see in the next video.